In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit HTML templates for emails and invoices in Ecwid. This is an essential skill for those looking to customize their online store's communication and ensure that all correspondence looks professional and consistent with your brand. To begin, log into your Ecwid admin panel. If you haven't already done so, head over to ecwid.com and enter your credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the email settings. This is the place where you'll find all the email notifications that your store sends out to customers. So, in your admin panel, go to Settings. From the menu that appears, select Notifications. Once you're in the notification section, you'll see a variety of email templates for different customer interactions, such as order confirmation, shipping confirmation, and more. Click on the email template you wish to edit, for instance, an order confirmation or a shipping confirmation. You'll be taken to a page dedicated to editing the content of that specific email. Here you have the option to modify the HTML directly, or use the rich text editor if you're more comfortable with basic formatting. Keep in mind, Ecwid uses placeholders like order number, customer name, which are essential for dynamically populating the emails with unique customer data, so ensure these are used as necessary for personalization. If you're comfortable with code, feel free to dive into the HTML to tweak the design as you see fit. Insert logos or adjust layout aspects to match your brand's identity. For those less familiar with HTML, the rich text editor provides a simple way to make basic changes without needing to touch any code. Now let's talk about customizing invoice templates. In your admin panel, go to Settings and then Invoices. From here, click on the Invoice Template tab, where you can alter the layout and content of your invoices. Much like with email templates, you can adjust the HTML for a more custom design. This includes adding your company's logo, changing font styles, or rearranging elements on the invoice to better suit your corporate aesthetic. Once you've made all your desired updates and customizations, the last step is crucial. Make sure to click Save to apply all the changes you've made. This simple action ensures that your emails and invoices reflect the look and feel you've just designed. Forgetting to save could mean repeating all the steps again, so don't skip this crucial step. And that's it. You can now enjoy a consistent, branded communication experience with your customers, enhancing their interaction with your store. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.